Dr. Abhinav. So in this video today I'll be telling you about how to prepare for UPSC CMS exam using the ebook. So this will be a 50-day study strategy plan, and if you have already got the ebook, then you can use that. If not, you can get this UPSC CMS preparation ebook, which has all these things plus additional other materials also, which I will tell you in few minutes. So if you want this book, the link is in description. You can get it there. And this plan that I have devised is based on this book, this ebook. Yeah. So if you want this, you can get this. The link is in description. We also have other ebooks, INI-CET NEET PG and FMG ebooks. If interested, you can get it there. The link is in description also. So before we start, if you still haven't joined our Telegram group, the link is in description again. So click there and join the group. So your doubts and queries, you can post it there, and we'll discuss it. So coming to the topic, this UPSC CMS exam, I'm talking about the plan now, is based for the written paper. So this UPSC exam has one written paper and one interview. So this plan is for the written paper. So the written exam is on 16th of July this year, and most probably it will be a computer based examination. Last 2 years it was OMR based, but this year it may be most probably computer based exam. And this exam has 500 marks in two papers. Paper 1 will have medicine and pediatrics. Paper 2 will have surgery, obstetrics, gynecology, and pediatrics. So this is just the basic information about the exam. And the if you are new to this exam, and if you still want to give this exam, you can apply. The application process is still going on, and to know about more about this exam, you can see other videos in my channel also. So what is about this ebook and what does it have? So basically this the main preparation ebook will have important topics from the subjects that I had mentioned just now, and important topics and explanations to those topics in a study material format. And I've also added few other associated subject topics. For example, like if there is surgery, there might be some questions on ortho or radio also. So those kind of topics also I've added separately. And then you will have complete information about the exam and preparation strategies. So how you can prepare for this exam, how to do the time allotment and all those things, and previous 10-year papers, question papers of UPSC CMS with answers marked in it, and exam day answering strategies. This is very important, how to answer, and what type of questions that you should leave, what should be answered, because this paper also has negative marks, and how to answer smartly, which option could be most probably correct even if you don't know the answer. So those kind of things that I have given in this strategies. Plus you will get this 500 one liners and 10 test series, 50 questions each with answers and explanations, so total 500 questions with answers and explanations. Then you will get 2 practice tests and 1 mock test. So the 50 days study plan, I have divided into 2 phases. So phase 1 will be first 30 days and phase 2 will be next 20 days. In the phase 1, first what we are going to do is we are going to complete the syllabus. So completing the syllabus is for first 20 days, and first revision will be next 10 days. So this is how the first 30 days are spent. So to complete the syllabus, the topics in the ebook, plus you will also have to read additional topics from other materials or other resources also, because this ebook is a review book which will help you to boost your rank, or it will help you to clear the cutoff marks. But you should also read additional extra topics, because the competition for this exam is getting higher and higher. So it's better to uh, read additional extra topics also. So So for first 6 days, make sure you read medicine topics and solve the one-liners from this ebook and solve one test series from this ebook, and you can solve one previous year question paper from this ebook. And then the next 4 days, 7th to 10th day, you will read surgery topics, complete surgery, and then do one-liners and test series. And then the next 4 days, complete PSM topics, most importantly the new updated things in PSM that you should know, and then do one-liners, test series, and solve one PYQ, previous year question. And then day 15 to 18, Obgyn topics, one-liners, test series, and one PYQ. 19 to 20 day. So Pedia topics plus other subject topics. This includes all the other subjects apart from these 5 subjects. So totally we have 19 subjects in our curriculum, and only 5 subjects, that is medicine, surgery, PSM, Obgyn, Pedia, is asked in UPSC exam. But they can correlate other subjects also in these questions of these subjects. So it is better that you should know the allied subjects. So for example, if you are reading medicine, there might be some overlap with pathology and physiology. So make sure you, if you are reading a topic in medicine, make sure you know something about it in the pathology and physiology also. So just like that, for surgery, they can correlate with anatomy, uh, orthopedics, and radiology. So for PSM, most probably they will give the same, and for Obgyn, some obstetrical anatomy and physiology can be asked, which will be covered in Obgyn, and for pediatrics also most probably like general medicine. So apart from this, you should also know some important topics from pharmacology, because it's the main it is the subject which comes in all the other subjects also. So make sure you know more about pharmacology also. And then the next 10 days that we are going to see is revision 1. R1 is revision 1. So for first 3 days we'll do medicine revision plus one liners and test series, and then subsequent 2 days you will be doing surgery, PSM, Obgyn topics. And during surgery you do one previous year question, and during Obgyn you do one previous year question. And then 30th day will be pediatric topics, other subject topics, one liners, and one test series. So this is how we will complete your phase 1. So by this time phase 1 you would have done the all subjects basic reading, and you would have completed revision 1 of these subjects, plus you would have already solved 5 previous year questions, and you have solved 10 test series, everything, and you must have solved 500 one liners by now. So by 30 days you are almost very well prepared for the exam. So now coming to phase 2, we are going to boost up your preparation in the phase 2. So for starting with the phase 2, first 10 days we'll do the revision number 2. Again medicine topics first, surgery, PSM, Obgyn, and pediatrics. So the days that I have mentioned here, how to allocate those days. And in these 10 days you will also be doing previous year questions for each subject. So I mean, whenever you are doing this medicine subject, you will do one previous year question. During surgery subjects, one previous year paper. PSM, one previous year paper. Obgyn, pediatrics, one each. So by now you have solved uh, 50 10 all the 10 previous year question that is available. So this test series and one liners that I have mentioned here, you have already solved the 10 test series. Now you are going to revise the test series again. So this one test series means you are going to revise the test series which you have done already. For example, you have done 10 test series, so here you have 5 test series written. So in this one test series time you should able to be you should revise 2 test series which you have already done. So for example, in this you will revise test series number 1 and 2, here 3 and 4, here 5 6, here 7 8, and here 9 10, and again revise the 500 one liners within these days. Plus you can also solve any other question banks if you have in this time. So around 40 days you have done 2 revisions, basic readings, solved 10 previous year questions, which is really good, solved 10 test series and revised it also, solved 500 one liners and revised it also. You are almost ready now. So in the last final 10 days what we'll do is we'll revise only the ebook topics for day 41, 42, 43, 44, and then you will solve question banks. Any other question bank that you have, you can solve that. Solve as many questions as possible. I would advise you to solve at least 150 to 200 questions per day, and then you review all the previous year questions that you have done. So for example, here you should review the first 5 previous year questions, and here then the second 5 previous year papers to be reviewed in these 2 days. So day 41 and 42 you will be reviewing question previous year papers, first 5 papers, and 43, 44 the next 5 previous year papers. Plus you will be reviewing, you will be doing the practice test which is given with the ebook. And day 45, 46 you will solve the mock given in the ebook, and then you will do one question bank. You will do as many questions as possible just like before, and then you revise all the topics. And day 47, 48 again you will do the question banks as much as possible and then revise. And the last 2 days you will read the preparation strategies, answering tips, and then revision of whatever and anything that you get. So previously you must have read everything, so you revise everything in the last 2 days as much as possible. So with this plan you will be more than ready to clear this exam and get a better rank. Remember that getting a better rank in this exam is very important, because depending on the rank you might be posted. So for example, you are from a place and you want posting in your place only, then you will have to score a very good mark in order for the examiner to post you at your specific place. So make sure that the rank is also very important in this exam, and take note of it also. So if you want the ebook, you can get the link is in description, and kindly share this video to your friends, because the exam application date is still going on and you can still apply for this exam, and ask your friends also to apply for this exam. And then all the best to you. Thank you.